Not by the might of one, but by the might of many, from our ancestors to us. We have beautiful homelands, we have skilled people, we just need to enhance their abilities, our abilities. Kia ora koutou katoa. Ko Lily Stender tuku ingoa. I am one of the kaitiaki trustees of the Tolaga Bay Charitable Trust. Our vision is to keep our history alive for our next generations. Our mission is to utilise the inn as a vehicle for economic, social and cultural development. Some of our struggles have been the inability to access expertise. You see, many of our people have skills and attributes, just not quite knowing how to put that together to build sustainable livelihoods. Tolaga Bay Innovation is a business wraparound support service that we have created to support, nurture, grassroots entrepreneurship. Mere Kamanui, solo mum, created Uawa Native Nursery, grows seedlings, has contracts with landowners, forestry owners, farms, council to regenerate the lands in native plants. How cool is that? She has now employed 4 people, creating jobs in our homelands. Another success story, Harley's Harvest, solo daddy. He has created a vegetable fruit delivery for our local people up and down the coast, as well as providing to the shops. Pretty cool. The Tolaga Bay Charitable Trust, we actually are the mothership for 5 other superb organisations working within our community to make it better. One of those organisations is Hui Tarangi Digitech. Superb for our rangatahi. Code Club, teach them coding. Absolutely specialised skill that we really need so that we can then push them forward into software programming jobs, working remotely. Our success lies by helping one another through these courses. To work with organisations that have the training capacities online, we bring our people in to our hub, provide computers, phones, online platforms, Wi-Fi, but more importantly, mentors. What we need on the ground within our communities is the belief that we can do things ourselves. We know that we need to create entrepreneurship so that we, in effect, can have our own livelihoods. That is self-empowerment. Self-empowerment is where we're going. Creating self-sustainable livelihoods is our aim.